So this is my game where you play as a garden gnome. And this is a game where you play as a dwarf and you mine in a cave. Why am I making two games? Well, I was doing a lot of art on my gnome game. Here's the gnome you'll play as. Well, you'll customize it, but whatever. But I realized I want a really complex system, but I don't really know how to handle the object architecture, I guess is how I'll say that. So I got to work on a side project where I experiment with trying to make an object system. And I made something pretty crazy, if I do say so myself. Think about it like this. Every object has two components, the form and the substance. Now the form dictates what it is, what it looks like. The substance dictates what it's made out of and how it interacts with the rest of the world. These are crystals. Both the form is the crystal cluster, but the substance on that main part is the crystal. And anything made out of that crystal will share the same properties as it does in any crystal in the rest of the world. But these are done through data, essentially Excel sheets. So although I'm working on this dwarf prototype that will be playable pretty soon, so make sure you join my Discord. It allows me to just swap out all the data and use the same exact system to build my main game, where I spend most of the time. So you'll make items from your garden. Let's say I'm gonna make my armor and tools out of wood. Well, those tools and armor are gonna share the same properties as any other wood in the rest of the game, which means they can be set on fire, they can be burned. That's the same thing as what I just said. But that's why I'm making two games at once.